Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp in Windows 11 laptop. Installing WhatsApp on Windows 11 offers seamless communication, enabling easy access to chats, calls and multimedia sharing from your desktop. So let's start the video. To install WhatsApp in Windows 11 laptop, first you need to download WhatsApp. So open Microsoft Store by pressing Store icon on the taskbar or typing Store in search. So this is the Microsoft Store icon on the taskbar. Click on it. Now type WhatsApp in the search and hit enter. So click on the WhatsApp. Now click on the Get button to start the download and installation of WhatsApp in Windows 11. So click on Get. The download has started. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection. Download is complete and installation has started. Once the installation is complete, click on the Open button. So click on Get Started. To use WhatsApp on your laptop, simply follow the instructions given here. So you have successfully installed WhatsApp on your Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.